Alright, so here we go. Cleaning our Northern Pike. Go right behind the gill. Hello, and welcome to the OHO. We're going to learn how to clean a Northern Pike. There are many different ways to do this. This is just one way. Feel free to try other options. I have as well. I just use it this way, not that I prefer it, but it seems to work for me. So come along as we clean up a Northern Pike, and we'll go through the details on how to do it. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Alright, so here we go. Cleaning our Northern Pike. Go right behind the gill. Up towards the head as far as you can to get most of it. There's a lot of meat along here, being right here. Spine being right here. Go along the spine. You'll cut down, you feel the bone, turn your knife. Cut down, feel the bone, turn your knife. Go along the back. It can be very hard to feel the Northern Pike spine sometimes, I feel like. But you just gotta, like, you can, worst case, you can eyeball right up along the seam here. Go right down the back. Again, poking your knife out. Cut past that. Pull this out this way a little bit. Go. So go ahead, cut right through here, going along the spine, and poke through and out the back. Okay, I'm going to turn the fish so we can see this. Okay, so once you have the fish gone like this and you've gone through the back, the spine right here, you simply go through the back and you lift the meat up, sort of cut towards the spine. I cut right through this little Y bone section that's right here. Find it easier. Now you simply lift the meat up and you start working your way down. You can hear that cutting through the spine. You can simply get down to right here. Cut right there up to the top. You kind of flank your knife. I did it very quickly. You turn your knife. Get right up there. You get right along the skin. And you turn your knife down. Peeling it. Going right over the top of this middle bone right here. Getting the maximum meat right there. And go along the side and take that off there like that. And you get a nice fillet. There's still some bones right here. We're going to go through that in a minute and just how to debone that. So I'll put that off to the side for a minute. Nice fillet there. And then we'll go after the other side of the Northern Pike. So now once again, we start right here behind the gill. Behind this fin, we're going to cut right along here. It's better to start here, there's more belly meat, and work your way towards here. There's more meat up here. So that's what we'll do. Just like that. Then once again, you're going to work your way along the spine. Very hard to see here, so I'll flip the fish. So you're going to work your way along the spine this time. Going right along this side of the fin, and out and this way. So let's do that. Okay. So we got this side done. And now we simply cut along right here, as I've already done. We simply come along the spine again. So let's do that right now. We cut along the spine. And once again, we poke our knife through back here, tail, and we work our way out towards the back. I like to get a little hunk of tail in there. Helps me hold on the fish when I do the boneless fillet part of it. So here we go. Now we peel the fish back a little bit, work down the spine. You can hear those bones. I cut right through them. I hit the rib cage. I come up to the top. Once again, you can almost come right up to the top and feel its skin. And then you fold, you work here. You kind of over the rib cage, right back down. You can follow these bones right here along the ribs. and just cut. There you go, nice fillet right there. So now we're gonna take out the bones of this fillet. So you're gonna go the lateral line, you can kind of see that right there, to the very tip right here of the fillet. So we go right there, gently. I do the first mark very slowly, and then I angle my knife, and I go towards this, almost pointing the knife right there. You can see the tip come out if you were to poke through. And I angle the knife right there like that. Double check with my finger, I can't feel my bones, it's fine. And then from here, the mud line, you aim towards the lateral line. Turn your blade, go like this, aim, you know, like your tip's gonna come out here. This the last time it came out here. This time we're going to come out from the mud line to the lateral line. So now you take your knife and just angle toward the lateral line. And that's it. And one more time to make sure you got it. Nice easy slice. I'll move the fish up and I'll take the meat off the hide. And we'll see how beautiful of a fillet that looks. And honestly, before you even take the meat off, you can just grab the mud line right here. Pull right out of the fish. There's your bones. Gone. So there's your fillet right there, all boneless. There you go. And voila. And there you go. You have a nice boneless fillet. So when you're cleaning these fish, it helps to have a very understanding wife, because she will not be happy with you.